Okay, so hello everyone, today we're going to make an unboxing video. Inside this package is supposed to be a Feliway or Feliway spray. I got this from Shopee for 1,600 pesos inclusive of shipping. So a friend of mine suggested this because I have a problem with my cats. I've got 21 all in all. I'll show you some of them, okay? Okay, so those are some of my cats, and I've got at least 8 cats, which are all males and all not fixed or unneutered. So if you ever own a cat, you all know that cats can become very territorial, especially the males. So they have this habit of peeing everywhere, and my friend suggested that I try this, and hopefully this will work. Okay, and we've got this. I do believe this is a collar. So this is all that's inside the box, and it's in Chinese, or should I say Mandarin. Here, I don't know what this is. Let's open this up. And okay, what do you know? We've got English here, okay? Let me see. Anyway, the basic idea is this will spray pheromone, okay, and then cats will get a sniff of them, and it will make them calmer or relaxer, and it will hopefully stop them from urinating everywhere, which is a problem, especially if you've got more than one male cat at home, especially if they are not neutered. Okay, so let's see. Now, my cats are not neutered because I don't want to neuter them, because as far as I'm concerned, that is their God-given right, okay? The God-given right to procreate, and I do not have the right to take that away from them. Similarly with declawing cats, I do not like to declaw cats, or even the idea of declawing cats, because cats have claws. If you do not love cats with claws, you do not love cats at all, as far as I'm concerned. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that. This is 220 volts, 50 hertz, okay, 6 watts. Okay, so I'm going to plug this here near the door, because this is where most of the time they come through. So anyway, that's a problem, but let's see, maybe this can be tilted. Let's just do this. Okay, let's try. Okay, it can be tilted. So I'm going to leave that there, and let's see if there's any improvement within about a couple of days or a week. By the way, I think I'm going to mark it here. Okay, that way we're going to have a reference point as to how much was consumed, okay? Now, is there an odor emitted by this? Actually, there is. Very, very slight smell, okay? Now, I cannot actually explain as to what it smells like or correlate it to anything, but there's a very slight, very fine odor to it, okay? But it's not bad. So after 11 days, this is all that's left, just a drop. So it's almost gone. Actually, it is. So temperature, okay, 45 degrees Celsius. Now, just so you know, I've had this here plugged in for 11 days straight. Okay, now the real question is it effective? Now, I would dare say this is effective up to 70%. Okay. Because this television, okay, as well as this speaker, before I actually unbox this and plug this in, this is a frequent place wherein they would urinate, and I actually cleaned this up. Now it has been 11 days now, and they have not urinated on this. Before this, okay, it's only a matter of a day or maybe 2 days, then you would again find urine on this area. However, I still found them peeing or marking territory. See that? That is cat urine, and I'm gonna have to clean that. So that's the problem with having a lot of male cats at home. So it says here on the manual it's going to last for 30 days, but it only lasted 11 days. Maybe this has something to do with it, because it says here this is only for 50 hertz. Now, here where I live, it is supposed to be 60 hertz. Maybe that played a role in the consumption. Maybe, I don't know, I'm not sure. Now, another question is this thing worth it? Now, let's do the math, okay? This thing has been consumed in a matter of 11 days. Now, this refill alone is going to set you back for at least about 1,400 pesos. So that's 1,400 pesos every 11 days. And it's only going to be effective up to 60, maybe 70%, okay? Don't keep your hopes up thinking that it's going to stop your cats from urinating everywhere 100%, okay? It's effective, but like I've said, only up to 70% at best. If you have a lot of cats at home like I do, especially males, maybe, just maybe you would want to try this out too, okay? Maybe that will help your problem from keeping your cats from peeing everywhere. So I think before I'll buy a refill for this, what I intend to do is I will buy this instead, okay? This is the manual one wherein you can just spray it. So with that, instead of this, I can actually manually spray it on areas where I actually see them being on, like this one. So anyway, I do believe I'll end it here. That's all that there is to show, okay? Like I've said, don't keep your hopes up. It is only going to be effective, as far as I'm concerned, only up to 70%. It's not going to stop your cats from urinating everywhere 100%, okay? Now, before I'll end this video, I would just like to say, okay, I am not affiliated, I'm not advertising for this product, I'm not affiliated or associated in any way with Feliway, okay, or any sellers online that sells this item, okay? I bought this with my own money. I bought this for 1,600 pesos, okay? So I hope you like this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you do, let me know in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe if you want to, only if you want to. And as always, thank you for watching. Meow.